When my aura is less dense, then unwanted, undesired thoughts, it is easy for them to penetrate. So they are more likely to be impregnated with the negative energies, and that is why they become sick. The question was, if I am not in the present, if I am absent-minded, if I am sitting in an environment which has a lot of negative thoughts, negative entity, will these get impregnated inside me because I am absent-minded? What is the difference when I am in the present against when I am not in the present? In psychic protection workshop, we have learned that our aura is the strongest protection mechanism. We have learned and experimented that when the aura is becoming very dense by using certain techniques, any negative thought which is projected towards the person, it gets bounced away. Now, you know that we have physical body, etheric body, emotional body, mental body and spiritual body. Suppose I am not in the present. What does that mean? That means your astral body is wandering somewhere else, your mental body is somewhere else, and your whole being is not here. If your whole being is not here, will your aura be really dense or not? Do an experiment. Make the person come here and let the person think of something and then scan the aura. And then let the person come back and be aware of the whole being and then scan the aura. You can understand that all the bodies are interpenetrating each other. So when I am here with all my bodies, definitely my aura will be denser. If I am here only with my physical body, then my aura will be less dense. When my aura is less dense, then unwanted, undesired thoughts, it is easy for them to penetrate into myself. But if my aura is really dense, if all my bodies are here in the present, then the aura becomes dense. You cannot impregnate it with the negative thoughts. So that is the reason. That is how it works. So that is why whenever we are in the present, we are psychically protected. Whenever we are not in the present, we are not integrated, we are somewhere here, somewhere there, then there is more chances of getting the psychic attack within us.
So how do we be in the present where all the bodies are integrated?
The question is how we can be in the present. So that is what people practice called mindfulness meditation. Whatever activity you are doing, you are fully into it. So if you are eating food and watching TV, what is happening? Your mind is somewhere else. Your emotions are with the news which is coming. But when you are doing some activity and your full emotion, your thought, your everything is inside it, then you will be in the present. Normally, if you are doing any work which is what we like or love, then automatically it will happen. If you are forced to do something which you don't like, then automatically that will happen. That is the reason many people get bad health, because they are forced to do something which they don't want. So when they are working, their soul, heart is not there. So they are more likely to be impregnated with the negative energies, and that is why they become sick more often. So the solution is be present and be aware of your heart chakra and your crown chakra.